Welcome to this video. This video is all about Linux administration. In this video, you are going to learn how to perform Linux operations. Use Linux effectively from the command line. What is Linux administration? Linux administration is the act of setting up, configuring, and managing users and computer systems running a Linux distribution. The Linux administration skill is very key to the success of ethical hacking. This is because Kali Linux is the number one tool used by every cybersecurity, ethical hacker, penetration tester, and even black hat hackers. Kali Linux is the hackers and cybersecurity experts' favorite operating system. This is because it comes with almost all the tools needed to get the job done. So you need this skill. You need the Linux administration skill. So you know how to operate and manage Kali Linux operating system. Before we dive deep into the Linux administration, you need to know about this important tool called the Linux terminal. Linux terminal is a command line tool that comes with Kali Linux. On this Linux terminal is where almost all the operations that are performed on Kali Linux are done. So we are going to spend most of our time on this terminal. Before we go deep, let's talk about the root access. How to access the root account after installation. Kali Linux is a security operating system. It is used by cybersecurity experts to secure digital assets appropriately. So it is built with security in mind. Because of that, it comes with the root account, but no access is given upon installation. And that is why you have to create a normal user account during the installation process. Now that our installation is ready, it is necessary to have access to the root account so that we can perform some of the operations that we are going to perform without restrictions. As I said, almost all the operations are performed on the Linux terminal. It means that for us to access our root account, we have to use the terminal. So we are going into our Kali Linux and gain access to the root account from our terminal. Open your VirtualBox, select your Kali Linux, and click on the Start button to power on your Kali Linux machine. When the machine is up, it presents you the login screen. Supply your username and password to log in. Hit enter. We are successfully logged in. It has brought us to our desktop. We are going to locate the Linux terminal, and this is where you find the Kali Linux terminal. The icon after your browser, click on it to launch. As you can see, our terminal is up and running, and this shows that we are logged in to this account. Now we want to access the root account. This terminal, once again, is a command line tool. It means that every operation is performed by running commands. So to access our root account, we are going to type this command: sudo su and hit enter. It will ask you to enter your password for the account. So type in the password. Take note of this. While typing your password, it will not be displayed for you to see. But in the background, the password is typing. So hit enter. Now, it has authenticated us and has given us access to the root account. In this case, what we are going to do is to change the password for the root account. Type in this command to change the password, passwd, and hit enter. Now it asks you to enter the password you want for the root account. Type in the password. Once again, you are not going to see the password displayed. Retype the password, and now it says password updated successfully. This means that we have created a password for the root account. Now we are going to verify by logging in with the username root and the password we just created. Click on this icon at the top right corner. Click switch user. It has brought us to the login screen. Here we are going to supply the root login details. Our username is root and the password you created. Hit enter to log in to its own environment. This shows that we are logged in to the root account, and to verify that, launch the terminal again. This shows that we are logged in as root. With this, we can perform operations without restrictions. Now we have access to our root account. See you in the Linux administration proper.